You're not gonna come out? Huh? I know. Hey, man. It wasn't me. I didn't do it. Okay, honeys. So they're all bat down, as they say. Pissed off, as I say. Here I am. Whoa. Pretty much knee deep. We got a couple of cars. If you can... Oh, oh man, I almost dropped this little baby in the snow. Illegal driver on Main Street. Okay, maybe not so much. Followed by the fire department. I'm going to guess that he's allowed. So, I'm up to my thighs in snow. Not sure. Oh man. We are usually plowed out by now. There's my legs. There's my path. Probably should go back the same way. I can hear Janie. She's wanting to get in. Yeah, the girls, there'll be no escaping today. In order to escape, they would have to come in the snow.